Welcome to the Physio Mythbuster, our new weekly 2-minute segment where we're going to dispel or quash some myths or rumours about the body and actually show you how remarkable it is. It's going to deal with daily questions we get asked in the clinic and how we explain them to our patients. So we hope you enjoy. First up is, does cracking your knuckles create arthritis? And the simple answer is no. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Actually, joint cracking, popping, whatever you like to call it, is actually quite natural. It happens nearly to every joint in the body, be it to the neck, the low back, the hips, the knees, the ankles, you name it. Cracking happens in general. There's been no evidence to show it does any harm. It's not bone on bone, it doesn't wear down your joints. Actually, what it is a nitrogen bubble within the joint that releases in the synovial fluid. Our joint has this synovial fluid, which is basically like oil in your car. It helps keep all the moving parts nice and free. And when the joint is relieved of pressure, we hear that pop or cracking sensation. Some people will get a little bit of relief from it, and research has shown that it's probably that sensation while the nitrogen bubble is regenerating itself. It can probably take 15 to 20 minutes for a joint to do that after it's been popped and cracked, and it's probably more that psychological experience of feeling relief from that release of pressure that people enjoy. Some people hate it, some people love it. Everyone is unique and different. But again, to sum it up, joint cracking is not bad for you. It does not cause arthritis. And if you do it and you enjoy it, then it's all good.